people, what is crackling? So we're here at Petermann Island. You can see the remnants of a human enterprise here. This one has an Argentine flag on it. This is a place I've been quite a few times, but amazing conditions this morning. Looking north to the Antarctic Peninsula, and way in the distance over there is the Lemaire Channel, which we're going to be transiting later today if all goes to plan. But just exploring around here. This is a big penguin colony, and we've got a bunch of icebergs. I'm going to be out on the water for a couple of hours looking around, doing an informal survey for eBird, and yeah, just looking forward to it. Seeing what we can see from the water perspective. Getting stoked on nature, wild places. Yo, let's go skis!